Height and distance. Sometimes we are required to find the height of a tower, tree, building and the distance of a ship from lighthouse or width of a river, etc. We cannot measure them accurately, though we can find them using the knowledge of trigonometric ratio. Line of sight. When we see an object standing on the ground, the line of sight is a line from our eye to the object that we see. Angle of elevation. When the object is above the horizontal level of our eye, we have to turn our head upwards to see an object. In this process, our eyes move through an angle which is called the angle of elevation. Angle of depression. When the object is on the ground and the observer is on a building, then the object is below the level of the eye of the observer. The observer has to turn his head downward to see the object. In doing so, his eyes move through an angle which is called an angle of depression. Let us understand it with the help of an example. Example: the angle of elevation of the top of a pole measures 45 degrees from a point on the ground 18 feet away from its base. Find the height of the pole. Let us solve it step by step. Step 1. Let's visualize the situation. Step 2. Let x be the height of the flagpole. Step 3. From triangle ABC, tan 45 degree is equal to x by 18, as tan theta is equal to BC by AB. Step 4. It implies x is equal to 18 into tan 45 degree is equal to 18 into 1 is equal to 18. Step 5. So the flagpole is about 18 feet high. Some more examples. Example: a person standing on the bank of a river observes that the angle of elevation of the top of a tree standing on the opposite bank is 60 degree. When he moves 40 meter away from the bank, he finds the angle of elevation to be 30 degree. Find the height of the tree and the width of the river. Solution: let height of the tree be y and width of the river be x. CD is equal to 40 meter. In triangle ABD, tan 30 degree is equal to AB by BD. As tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3, so 1 by root 3 is equal to y by x plus 40, which implies x plus 40 is equal to y into root 3. Let it be equation 1. Now in triangle ABC, tan 60 degree is equal to AB by BC. As we know, tan 60 degree is equal to root 3. So root 3 is equal to y by x, which implies y is equal to x into root 3. Let it be equation 2. Now by putting y from equation 2 to 1, we get x plus 40 is equal to x root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3x, or 40 is equal to 2x. It implies x is equal to 20 meter. Now put the value of x in equation 2, we get y is equal to x into root 3 or 20 root 3. Therefore the height of the tree is equal to 20 root 3 and width of the river is equal to 20 meter.